Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got a dry noodle from Taiwan. This is Mom's Dry Noodle Mapo Century Egg with meat paste, which is pork. And this is a new thing they got going on. Mom's Dry Noodle Surf Mama. I happen to know that the guys that started Mom's Dry Noodle are really big fans of, they surf a lot. They go all over the place to go on boards and ride the waves, and that's cool. Nice guys too. So, let's make this happen. We'll start with some dry noodle. Non-fried noodle. Here we go. So it's got that, and it's got a sauce sachet, and the sauce sachet needs to hang out in the water for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm doing the max amounts on both. It was like 3 to 5 and 2 to 3. So once this gets down to 3 minutes, I got to keep my eye on that, you know. Then I'm going to throw this in to the mix. And the one thing I don't want to do is have this all boil over, and it's just like, it wants to. It likes to. It's the thing to do. Yeah, I've been making a lot of curry lately. I've been doing all these simmer sauces and using bell pepper, carrot, onion, garlic, sometimes coriander, and then a little bit of extra cumin. But it comes out pretty good. Some of them, there's like my buddy Jamie over in England. He's a big aficionado of British Indian curry restaurants and making curries more authentically. He's demanding that I find black cardamom, and pretty sure I know where I can get that. It's just a matter of getting over there and getting it. 3 minutes? Getting close. Remember to keep my eye on it. I'm trying to even out the tan on my dome. I don't think it's working out. I don't know. It'll happen. Maybe next year. I think I'm just going to keep it like this. It's nice. It's really nice to be able to go and walk around without a hat. You know? I could have done that before, but I don't know. I'm one of those guys that is like, I'm losing my hair. I might as well get rid of all of it. I don't really need it. Makes it much easier getting out of the shower. So that's my thing. But yeah, I've worn a hat for like 30 years, and now I'm not, and it's strange. Yeah. Oh, and I'm blabbing, looking at the clock. Well, we'll still get the 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna put that on the edge over there. And yeah. So it's Wednesday. Went out, took a nice long walk yesterday. I might do the same again in a bit. It's 10 o'clock and I'm working on the second one, so I might have time. If I run through the rest of this stuff real quick. I don't know that we got really anything planned. So that's good. That's good. One thing is I've got to like, I don't have any soft-boiled eggs, and the next one I wish I had one for, but I don't, so I just don't. And the one after that, I have to use a fried egg. I got a fried egg for this one. I mean, technically I don't need to use a fried egg for this one, but I think a fried egg would glorify it a little bit. But then again, my fried egg didn't come out looking as beautiful as they usually do. It's going to require some photoshopping to make the fried egg look absolutely spectacular. Come on. Whatever. Whatever, stove. There. Yeah. I don't think they're doing lawn maintenance. I think they might be pressure washing out there. I don't. On a rainy day, and it's probably going to be windy, or it might be. I don't know. The rain isn't going to do the same thing as a pressure washer would, but it's just unnecessary noise. It's like, let it grow moldy. Let it get some character. Everything must be beige. That's. Yeah. Oh, I'm on TikTok now. I'm the Ramen Raider guy. I mentioned it in one of my groups, and I got somebody going, "No Chinese Communist Party for me." Ban, delete. Come on. Yeah, I have no problem banning, deleting people. It's fun. They're just resources after all. Alright. Now, to use my fencing foil and drain the noodles. I don't know, it's like, it's TikTok. TikTok, the one we get here, I'm pretty sure is an American company. That's like saying Nongshim USA is a Korean company in the US. They really are an American company. They employ Americans. I don't know. People just get all weird, political, stupid, uneducated. I think the next thing we're going to see politically is Trump's going to get indicted again, which, I don't know, that just tickles me to no end. If you disagree, that's fine. Just stop watching the show. I'm not that beholden to likes and subscribes. Alright. Whoa. Ah, so I went the right route on this. I was thinking maybe I should put some pork chashu with it, because the meat in this is pork. But I don't think that would be necessary. I got another one of these too that they sent. It'll be an interesting set. Alright. And it runs to the bottom. It wants to hide. Don't hide from me, meat paste. I'll give you a try. Here we go. Wow. Another taste of that. A less unruly taste. Nice Szechuan pepper hit, not too much, not too little. Flavorful, delightful, delicious. Meaty. Little meaty beefs, meaty porks in there. Come on. This is actually a plate from Mom's Dry Noodle has restaurants. And this is a plate from their restaurant. I only get to use this, really, you know, when I'm making something that Mom's Dry Noodle has sent. So I'm excited to be able to use it. This is good, yeah. It lingers and savors. Alright. Need the spatula. The spatula for this egg. Beauty. A little bit of seed, not much. A little bit of pepper. And a pinch of the last batch I'm making of this set that I got of scallion. That's a nice little plate. Look at that. I'm enthused. Alright, Rotato, show it off. Very nice. So we started out with being in Taiwan for the last one, and now we're going to Rancho Cucamonga, California with this Nong Shim Premium Tantan Men ramen with chili oil. I'm curious. I am so curious. Yeah, I've been wanting to try this for quite a while, so we'll see if this newcomer, I think this is the newest to their premium bowl range. I love their tonkatsu, the spicy one. That one's hot. I mean, not extremely hot and spicy, but it's really good, as in hot. So, yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. If you don't like and subscribe, yeah, that wouldn't be kind. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.